welcome back to the vlog. Today's plan is to go over to Surgeline Tuning to pick up some parts for the car. Funny enough, my tuner who works at Surgeline is actually requesting for some data logs. Just because my car's been hitting around 24, 23 PSI of boost, and that's typically not too healthy considering those numbers are high. So I might try to get that done on the way to Surgeline or maybe in the evening. So if you didn't know what a data log is simply a set of data that reads your car's parameters. So in the engine, it could tell you how much boost you're hitting, how much fuel's being used, engine speed, all that stuff. So your tuner should know how to read that stuff and kind of identify any future or potential issues with your car. So that's what we're going to try to do today. Usually this is done, in third gear, either 2,500, 3,000 RPMs, all the way through red line. Yeah, I'm probably just going to find a safe location to do it, whether that's today or later on this evening. So we'll just have to see. All right, so if those dots are moving up and down, that means your car is data logging right now, or the access port is data logging. So like I said, I don't know if I want to do it here just because I'm so worried about it. I forgot to mention that make sure your car is like fully warm before you do any data logging. All right, the road opened up a little bit. I'm gonna try to do it here. So push that button. Watch out for that roadkill. And then try to get down to 3K and floor it all the way to red line. My foot is flat. There we go. That was a good one. And this thing beeps every time I hit a certain speed. All right, just got here. I'm just here to pick up some parts.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Should I go back there or?
These two.
Awesome.
And I will.
All right, so we got what we needed from Surgeline. Let's get out of here. Yo, I just followed you on IG. That's why I had to get. I had to get it on the vlog. That's crazy. So that was crazy, man. I literally was just sitting in the Surgeline parking lot for a few minutes, and then, on IG, and then I just decided to follow this car, and that same car just pulled up like right next to me, which is that one. So his and her SDI, check him out. But that's a nice ass build right there. I'm gonna get a shot of it. Hold on. And again, there it is. All right, so we're gonna head back home, and then we'll continue with the day. This shit's fast, man. I would not mess with those unless I was like fresh kicks or something. But yeah, no way, man. You gotta know your place. You gotta know your place. I'll get him in the corners though. Look at oh, that body roll. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's not good. See you later. All right, home sweet home. So this is what my dumbass looks like for all those POV videos. So I probably look dumb as hell from the side too. I had a feeling this was gonna happen. I did that one wide open throttle pull for the data log, and I couldn't get the boost to go over 22 pounds. So I'm gonna have to, I don't know, man. I knew this was gonna happen. Now the tuner is probably gonna think I'm just a paranoid freak, which I am, but man.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I was calling you based on your interest in the guinea pig Gracie.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and is now a good time to talk?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So really quickly, is this
Social,
So Humane Society just called us, and I guess we're getting a rat. No, it's not really a rat, it's a guinea pig.
Yeah, but I can certainly start by telling you a bit more about Gracie. So she's about 9 months
So we're getting 2
old,
rats.
and at her initial
2 rats. We're getting 2 rats. Just going to the pumpkin patch. Really excited. I'm not driving this time. Alright, so we're not going to the pumpkin patch. There's just too many fucking people. Literally, like, it's gonna take an hour to travel 5 miles, so we're not doing it. Look at all those people. And it was taking so long just to get there. I think it was like
30 minutes for 4 miles.
30 minutes plus for 4 miles. So, yeah, I'm not... Fuck that. I'm just gonna go to the store and get some pumpkins. Yeah. Alright, so we're heading to PetSmart instead. Sorry for bailing, but it was a long wait. I reached out to Michelin asking if they had some kind of flag I can put on my garage wall, and look, they sent me these. Man, that's a lot. Damn, looks pretty good. Thank you for these. I have a bunch left. Okay, so next day we're on the way to pick up rats.
It's not a rat.
Oh, there we go. Humane Society that we just got here, and we're waiting to go inside to...
Gracie? Yeah. Awesome. We're just finishing setting up for her and we'll be out in just...
Okay, thank you.
I was gonna start yelling.
Why?
Like, help!
Oh.
Help!
Like if you kind of close your eyes. I'm Kat.
Hello.
First time guinea pig owners. Tell me a little bit about that. Do you have any questions or?
Here's the rat. Oh.
I know Ewan, which was Gracie's little sister, has an appointment later.
Oh, okay.
But you still
You have to kind of keep them separate and then have to
Sit.
do like a meet
Sit.
and greet,
for sure.
in like a neutral spot kind of thing.
Yeah.
Look at little buddy.
Hi, Gracie. You're going home with us.
It's a big, it's like a small rabbit with a big rat. Come here. Sit.
If she hops out, we're screwed.
Look at that face. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Oh, construction. Alright, so first step is to hit the button right here. Man, I'm kind of nervous. And then we're at 2,500 RPM, third gear. And then you just want to mash it until you get to red line. Alright, that was good. Alright, so we'll try to do another one. Alright, here it goes. 2025, mash it. Alright, that was good. So keep that in mind. Get you a wife who looks out for cops while you're data logging. Those buttons that I was talking about right there, they're flashing. That means it's data logging. So I'm gonna turn it off now. So you don't want to gather data 100% of the time just because the file is gonna be way too big. So just keep that in mind. Try to get as close to the pull as you can. Now I can't get it to hit 23 or 24 pounds of boost. Now it decides to stay at 22, which is ideal. I mean, it's not ideal, but it works. It's not, you know, it's not 24 or anything like that, but that's what I was trying to get it to do so I can show my tuner. But it just likes to be happy right now, I guess. There she is, settling in, eating her lettuce. Welcome to the family, Gracie. She's still a little scared, but she'll get used to it. Anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Say bye-bye, Gracie.